to Ada, to Sogankope, all the way to Aplau, then sometimes to Togo. This is the detour that they use. So you can see the pressure that has been exerted on this very road.
Whilst congratulating my two efficient contractors who are standing by me, I want to advise them strongly, very strongly, on behalf of the government, on behalf of the presidency, that the job that they are going to undertake has been described as a presidential initiative under the presidency of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the new Patriotic Party. The government shall not tolerate, and I want to emphasize that, shall not tolerate one bit any shoddy work from any contractor in this country. Ghanaians must have value for money in terms of cost and in terms of quality. We want to embark upon quality infrastructure.
As the largest port in Ghana, has played a very important role in Ghana's economy. Tema is also home to major industries. As we are sitting here in the midst of industry. And it is important to provide durable routes to link the industries to the ports as well as other parts of the country. There are heavy industries along the Tema Steelworks Road. The current nature of the road is very poor and a disincentive to the industries along the road. Industries along the road include Leroy Cables, Tema Steelworks, Sefi Brothers, TT Brothers, Desimoni, Nestle, NS Chemists, and so on. It is imperative that government addresses the poor nature of the roads in the area and to ensure that we have good quality roads for our industrial hub. To this end, government has initiated the construction of the Tema Steelworks roads and the DVLA road. This is an inner city road, and in that sense, it's a pilot on concrete roads for our inner cities. The choice of the steelworks and DVLA roads in Tema are based on the functional use of the roads by heavily loaded vehicular trucks. We do believe that the road, when constructed and properly maintained, should last over 40 years. I want to urge the Ministry of Roads and Highways to sustain this policy direction in using concrete roads as the preferred pavement type on heavy axle roads like those in the industrial areas of the country. The need to train young and upcoming engineers and contractors in the use of concrete as a pavement option is also critical at this point, so as to sustain the policy direction of government to improve road infrastructure.